Thank you.
Could you please introduce yourself?
I'm Mark Hodgson from Brown & Mason and Brown & Mason BV, Brown & Mason Group in the UK. We are a European business with a head office in London, and we have our European business based in Dongen, just outside Rotterdam. We are a fourth generation company operating across Europe in decommissioning redundant and ageing assets within oil and gas, nuclear and power generation. We operate throughout Europe and down into the Middle East, predominantly in the oil and gas sector, generation, and undertaking dismantling, demolition and land remediation services for clients such as EDF, RWE, the chemical sector.
Perfect. And what is your main reason to be here today?
So we are looking to expand and grow the business across Europe. We recognise that we need to sit in front of a wide variety of potential clients. The conferences of this nature allow us the opportunity in one shot to get sat in front of a wide selection of industry and clients, and gives us an easy opportunity to sit in front of the European market.
Well, that's perfect. And did you already met some interesting people? It's a bit early.
It is. We've been meeting people from the Arab Emirates. We've met people from the Spanish down into the Mediterranean countries, and there are opportunities opening up all the time.
Well, that's great. And what do you think about the venue?
Venue's very nice. Yeah, that works really well. Good rooms, plenty of room for stands, and there's plenty of people.
Well, that sounds all good. Okay, well, I wish you a nice day. And thank you so much for the interview.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you.